Hey guys, what's up? It's Pseudo Pluto here, and today we have a fun video for you guys. We are unboxing the ROG Evangelion edition of the SSD enclosure. And we'll get into why I bought this later on, but I thought I would also have my keyboard here, which is also Evangelion themed. But yeah, this was like a limited edition collaboration with ROG. They had like motherboards, cases, power supplies, and they have the SSD enclosure. And while this one might not have been as popular as other things, there's a good reason why I got this. There's a technical reason and a fun reason, but let's first get this out. So there's nothing else in the box, but first things first, you have an instruction guide with this awesome, I don't think that you can see it. Focus please. Let me try to focus it on here manually. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, you have a little pin SIM removal tool that has the Nerve logo embossed on it, or not embossed, etched on it, which is awesome. Definitely going to keep this for like when I get like a new phone and stuff. Here it is outside of the thing. Yeah, it looks awesome. Cool. We have the actual enclosure itself, which really goes after the theme of the anime. It goes for the kind of retro style, like 90s aesthetic that the anime had, like the retro future. Has the top secret, has the Nerve logo, which will light up in the future. I don't know why I'm shaking so much. There we go, that's a lot better. And we got the ROG logo on the back with ROG X Evangelion project. So yeah, this is what it's actually like. It looks super cool. It looks like it's actually like from the anime, like some sort of jump drive, which I'm guessing is why they made it. So we got the foam packaging. Inside, we got some cables to use. We also have, since it was imported from Hong Kong, you have all this stuff. Yeah, you had a case, you had a monitor, you had a Wi-Fi thing, GPU stuff. The only thing I got was the SSD enclosure. Got a little spec sheet. Got a ROG X Evangelion quick start guide. And you got instruction manual and worksheet. It has all Nerve theme, which is awesome. Cool. And then at the very bottom is where the fun stuff is. So you get a bumper and get like a remove before flight, like Evangelion looking thing, which is like, it sounds bad, but it's like part of the main reason why I got this entire thing. Just because this looks so cool, so dope. So I'm actually going to put it on my car keys, and I'll show you the final product. Then we also got the bumper, which is kind of hard to remove, and bam, you just kind of fit it over the thing. But before I do that, I'll show you the inside, because this was kind of disappointing, but I guess it depends on the sort of SSD you have. Let's pop it open. So you just put the little SIM tool down here, and you push really hard, and it should pop right open. Yeah. And yeah, this is kind of like a fake unboxing because I already used it. So here I have a WD SN50, I think it's called, blue. And as you can see, I had to add thermal pads. So the really sticky looking ones, the thick ones, the one with the hole in it, that's actually what came with the device. As you can see, that covers the memory controller down here. You can see the indent and the pads. But this lighter one and the one that's sticking to the controller on the SSD, I had to add that myself because I guess it was not designed for like this type of SSD, but those were not covered. As well as the actual memory chip itself, it was too short to actually make like full contact with the thermal pad down here, and there was a hole right in the middle of where the memory was. So yeah, a little quick mod. So just be warned, if you're going to get this, it would be recommended to get some thermal pads as well, just sort of covered up. I'll show you guys what it looks like with the case. And then it is RGB, so I'll show you what it looks like when it's plugged in and working. Hold on, I gotta put this down so I have two hands. Okay, this is what it looks like with the protective cover on top. It has a little strap for the do not remove danger looking thing, which is awesome. And yeah, a really cool part about it, and I'm glad I thought about it, is that when you put the protective bumper on, you can't see the pin removal for the SSD. So this is like locked up pretty tight. And I actually have the SSD on this encrypted, so it's like actually like super cool, super nerve, top secret actually because it's encrypted. And yeah, I've been really loving it. I actually backed up the OS of my old desktop onto this. It was great. USB-C, USB 3, full speed. Since the whole thing is like aluminum, there's no slowdown because of thermals. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what the tag looks like on my car keys, and we'll say bye. Okay, and this is the final product. It added to my car keys. It looks awesome. I think it's totally worth it for the practicality of the sort of jump drive that this is, and the aesthetic and how cool it looks, and just my car keys looking awesome and Ava inspired. Awesome. And yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like with the RGB on. So my PC is sleeping, but it still supplies power. That should light up. If not, yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, so the Nerve logo lights up and RGB goes, as well as the top little thing there. As far as I know, there's no activity light for when you're reading and writing from it, which is kind of a bummer. But I'm also on Linux, so I don't know if there's some software that you can manage the RGB with. But yeah, this is the ROG Ava collab for the SSD enclosure. Overall, thumbs up. If you can get your hands on it, it's an awesome piece, awesome addition to your kit. Really well thought out, and I love the little tag that they have that you can add to like your car keys or to this if you want it. But I would put it on your car keys. It's so cool. Yeah, see you guys later. This is Pseudoplitter out.